Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Monitor free and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application on your Android phone for your Marshall Monitor free. At first you need to open the Play Store in your phone, then tap search 2 times. Here you need to type Marshall Bluetooth. As you guys can see here, we've got Marshall Bluetooth application from Marshall Group AB. How to distinguish this application among all these fakes? 5 million downloads plus as the minimum value and 194,000 reviews. Here, hit the install button and wait. Of course, these both values that I showed you are minimum values. Here, tap this tick that you agree to the end user license agreement and tap next. Here we've got newsletter, but we can actually skip this. The same as with the data sharing. We need to here tap allow. Now we've got Bluetooth pairing requests with our headphones, because when they are turned on, we can pair them with our phone. Remember that it's always easier to be paired with your phone before this whole process. So just pair them by holding this button, settings, Bluetooth, and tapping them. You need to double click this button to enter the pairing mode. But that's all that I wanted to show you. Goodbye.